Soy milk doesn't do it as well as cow's milk, so it's often a bit more runny or less well set. When I used to make it with cow's milk, I would do cow's milk and then I would add some powdered milk, and that just makes it kind of a higher content of the milk solids. Okay, so I think this should be a good temperature now. The main thing is for it to not be too hot. If it's a little bit cooler, then you won't kill the yogurt and it will just take a little bit longer to set. Okay, so that's our nicely warmed up milk. Might be a touch not really quite warm enough, but it'll set. It's summertime, it'll be right. Now in here I've got about a tablespoon of the whey from the last batch, so just the watery stuff that came off the yogurt. And you can just keep the yogurt or you can keep the watery stuff off the yogurt. Right, so you mix in your starter from your previous batch, make sure that's nice and warm, and then just keep it somewhere warm. Get rid of that and wrap it up in a towel. So of course that's much easier in summertime. I could probably just leave it on the bench and it would set by morning, but it kind of reminds us to not disturb it if I wrap it up. Nobody will spill it or do anything silly. There we go. So usually if you're setting yogurt from a batch that you bought at the supermarket, it might take 8 or 10 hours to set just because that yogurt isn't as fresh. But when you're setting it from your own fresh starter, it usually takes 4 to 6 hours. So now it's 4:15, so I'll check it before I go to bed tonight, and if it's set, I'll put it in the fridge. If it's not, I'll leave it there till morning.